Let us discuss about the microscopes. Microscopes are the optical instruments which are used to see highly magnified images of tiny objects. We have got two types of microscopes. One is simple microscope, or that is simply called as a magnifying glass, and another one is compound microscope. In a simple microscope we have got a convex lens, a single convex lens whose focal length is small, like shown in the figure. We have got the object. That object is placed between the focus and the optical center. Let it be the focus. Let it be the optical center. The object whose magnified version is to be seen is placed between the focus and the optical center, and from the ray diagram it is clear that a magnified image is formed on the same side of the object. So AB is a tiny object whose magnified image A dash B dash is formed on the same side of the lens. So this is our simple microscope. Let us discuss about the magnification power. The magnifying power of a simple microscope or a magnifying lens is the ratio of the angle subtended by the final image and the object when both are at least distance of distinct vision from the eye. So we can say that magnification equals to beta divided by alpha. As the angles are small, we can say that m is equal to tan beta divided by tan alpha. From the figure ABO, tan beta is equal to AB divided by BO, and tan alpha is equal, as this AB is equal to A dash B dash and both are at least distance of distinct vision. So we can say that tan alpha is equal to AB divided by B dash O, or A dash B dash divided by B dash O, but A dash B dash is equal to AB, that means it is equal to AB by B dash O. Now M is equal to AB by BO into B dash O divided by AB. Here AB goes, that is B dash O divided by BO. B dash O is equal to D, least distance of distinct vision, and BO is equal to U. So we can say that M is equal to, taking the sign conventions, BO is equal to minus D and BO is equal to minus U. So M is equal to D divided by U. Here 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here V or image distance is equal to minus D, 1 by minus D minus 1 by minus U is equal to 1 by F. Let this equation be A. Multiplying equation A by D, we have D divided by minus D plus D divided by U is equal to D by F. Here D and D goes, that is equal to minus 1 plus D by U. D by U is M is equal to D divided by F. So magnification of this simple microscope is equal to 1 plus D divided by F. Okay.